This 2026 Forest River Salem Hemisphere ROOST 43 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 43 feet 9 inches in length and features a harvest interior, sleeps 8, TV antenna, refrigerator, TV, microwave, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, awning, air conditioning, water heater, smoke detector, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, front entertainment, front kitchen, kitchen island, loft, mid-bath, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Roost 43 is 15,044 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.